We're all gonna have fun, damn it! We can rebuild her. Lolly, I knew you'd be here sooner or later, ho! Yes. And look sharp. What do you want? Oh, okay. Boing. Wait, I'm the what now? My hands are sweaty. Mom's spaghetti. Ooh, it's raining. Yeah! Carnival! Carnival! Man, I'm... I'm hungry too. Don't touch... Oh, that's the triplets! Get back here! Witness the fruits of our labors, revel, frolic, etc. Partake heavily of our traditional cuisine, not to mention the drinks. Okay. If you see one more streamer, uh-oh. Don't let him see me, don't let him see me! They saw me! Shit! It is indeed my solemn duty to eat my weight in carnival food. God, I'm brain poisoned. I read that as makes them real poggers. I gotta be some level of dyslexic, but damn. Oh, funnel cake sounds good. It's been years since I've had a funnel cake. We haven't even argued yet, and we're already tired. The so-called key Tupi told us about. In my infinite wisdom couldn't handle, however. No more processing. What the hell terrible monstrosities are we gonna unlock? Yeah, 2P's kind of out of commission. Error detected. Confirming the— oh, you just, her on switch was flipped off. Let's have the robot find it for us. Oh my god. The corpse room. Jesus. Odd but superlative. This is fucked up. It's not right. What the hell? God, this is so fucked up. Yeah, I didn't even tell. I couldn't even tell at first. What the fuck? God. Bop, 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 bop. How disturbing. Well, that was easy. I don't know, I never played the game. It worked! I'm getting so many music rolls. Orchestrion, you're gonna be so filled up. Hey. How you doing, Sleepy? Everything you know is wrong. Well, I know that's true. Wait, now my brain hurts. I was damaged in combat, and you brought me here. I see. Did you locate the key as I instructed? This isn't the key! This is my iPad! Ooh, I still got Flappy Bird on here. Holy shit! Oh, more flight suits. No! Oh god. Computer does not like explosions. Holy shit! If we had these, we could have taken down Mothra so easy. Oh shit. Oh my god, many fuckers. Howdy, fuckers. Worried for me? Don't be. Are they good? Wait, is she bad? God damn it! No, fuck! What have we done? What have we done? Well, I think we may have hecked up here. Just a little bit. Okay, but really, I want that as a mount. Please. Please. I thought so too. It's fucked up. Which means 9S is probably not a bad guy. Gee, I wonder who this could be. Is your dress about to turn white? I've had enough of that. Yorha number 2, Type B unit, but you may call me 2B. I should have known. I don't really know anything about Nier Automata, but I know that 2B is the main character. The Puppet's Bunker. Holy fuck! The chicken costume. The Puppet's Bunker. Uh-oh. This is my fight. Don't follow me. Nah, fam. There's loot. Holy shit. Oh, this is the area I was just looking at. We're right on the side of the mountains now. God damn. Which puppet, anyway? Why are we gonna fight a starfish? Why are we gonna fight a starfish? I'm scared. Alliance B. Does that mean we stay in the middle? Does it matter? 813P operated Aegis unit. Here we go. Maneuver, beam cannons. Okay, but how do I maneuver? Ah! Ah! I'm getting a little bit of latency here. It's hard to tell what's going on. Maneuver, collider cannons. Oh, 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 oh. Whoa! Okay. Surface laser. Alright, well they got something. They're leaving, that's fine. Ooh, ooh, okay, 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 okay. So if they do that, it goes zoop, zoop. Uh-oh. Have some chains. Maneuvering wings for optimal refraction. Oh god. I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm gonna wait here. Oh, 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 be in the laser! Oh, I see, I see! It like completely freezes my game for a second. Diffusion cannon. Okay, diffusion cannon I can do my protection thing on. Bombardments. Oh, hello. Can I have one, please? Oh, oh, that's bad! That's a bad guy! You get out of here! Smelly? Oh, Jesus. Okay, I'm gonna use it on this thing. Woohoo! I'm helping, I'm helping. I'm video games. It's me. I'm the video games cat. I really want to play Nier. Ah, there's so many games, so little time. Do we go through the gap? Okay, yep, we go through the gap. Oh, I see. Big drill! Refraction cannons. Oh, oh, oh! Don't lag me, don't lag me, don't lag me! Oh, fuck. No! Shit! Damn it! Damn it! Those dang sideways ass lasers got me. This is neat though. Oh wait! Ah! Too early! Fuck! Too early! It's sneaky, sneaky, sneaky. Rude, 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 rude. Oh my God! Where the fuck is it? It's over here! Get drilled, dumbass. I don't know. Woohoo! Holy shit! Did it just chill? It's like, all right, y'all win. Finish me off. Boom! Get hacked. Mega hacked. Get big mega hacked. Oh, bye bye. Oh right, we can walk faster. Hat of healing. Aiming, aiming. Oh, that's what one of the evil jerks was wearing. Boing, boing, boing. This is like these are solar panels. This is neat. This whole structure looks very like a Mars base or like a satellite or a space station. Oh, I should be careful here. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of rude boys. Oh my gosh. Oh well, okay, no, okay, nope, nope, none for me. Thank you. Blah, 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 blah. Nope, nope. Big, big, big. Big, 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 big. Aw, I was gonna interrupt him. Oh god. Woohoo! Okay, we're going down here now. Aw. Oh, the little robot friend. Uh-oh. Yeah, this, 767B. This isn't where I want to be. I'm gonna be away from its jets. Missile command. Oh, I've never been very good at that game. Ow! 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 My ass! Ah! Get away from me! No! No! Where are you? What the fuck? Superior flight unit. This one's way bigger. Oh, it's the normal one is on its butt. Or I mean, other way around. Sharp turn. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, they're doing some they're scheming. Oh, do I gotta be inside? Okay, I'm inside. Hello. Oh my gosh. Yep, you do. This, my computer does not handle streaming this raid so great. But hey, that's okay. We're having fun here. Boom! Air raid. It's hard to see the name because the move name. Cause the enemy. Ah! The enemy names are so long. Stop that! Ah! Fucking! No! Stop! God damn it! No! Fuck! Oh shit. Thank you. Where do we go? Where do we go? I'm going. Yes! Good at video games. I'm good at video games. Oh, Jesus! Oh, to the left, yeah, because of the sword I saw it at the very last second. Jesus. Fuck. Man, dang. Heckin'. Ah, beans. Okay. Forget that other mount. I want this one. Oh god, what do I do with this? I'm going over here, sorry. Does it keep dropping? No, okay. Oh, that's hot. Oh god. Robot! Ow! My everything! Ow! Is this an actual boss? I just thought it was a mini boss at first, but this is going on for very boss lengths of time. And it's kind of insane, like holy shit. Thank you! This is on me. Sorry. gonna stand between the fire. And start the fire. Da, 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 da. Yeah. 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 Hell yeah, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Team B best. B for best. Mumming. Okay, now we're in a... Oh, this is Outer Wilds! God, this really is a space station! What the fuck? 2B. Oh, shit. This is definitely some non... Oh. We're watching IMAX? Oh, it just opened. Damn, this is cool. Oh boy. Operator 210 self-consciousness data and overriding core systems. Yeah. $210? Well, my deepest apologies. $905P operated heavy artillery. Okay, this music's jamming. Oh my god. Oh, that's scary. So up means close, or yes, it does. Okay, and low means far. Oh, oh, and it moves. They move. Oh boy, do they ever move? Hoo hoo hoo, doggy. I'm gonna go get with my group. Oh, damn it. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh, what are you? Jumpy, jumpy, jumpy. Jumpy, spy. Oh god, get close, get close. Okay, okay. Volt array. What the fuck does that do? Ah. Just AoE, okay. Unusually high threat levels confirmed. Uh-oh. Ooh, we're elevating. We're elevating. Or the opposite. Ooh, we get to watch the TV. Man, this whole raid is so damn cool so far. Robot, go! Fight the robot! Orbs! Orbs, watch my butt. I gotta watch my butt for the orbs. Oh, I forgot my... I'm bad. I'm bad, baby. Please eliminate the remaining hostiles. Hey, 210, shut up. Go back to 9-0. Why don't you? Uh-oh. Oh boy. Operation Pod Program. Beep boop beep boop beep beep boop beep 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 beep. Okay. That's cool. Do we have to stand in those? I'm gonna stand in it. I know what I'm doing. I'm helping. Ow! My head. Ah! Ah! It's safe over here. Ah, shit, fuck. Ah, too slow, too slow. Go robots! Save the world! Ah, my ass. Stop whatever you're doing. Please. Please. I don't know where they're going. It's gonna die though, right? Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Faster, 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 faster. Oh. What was that R2-D2 scream? What's up, nerd? Bye. Oh. Access point. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Alright, this will be safe to do, right? Flamethrower! It's not safe to do! Oh, it's me! They shoot me! Fuck! The orb room. Oh my god. This is... I've heard about having to run. This is what they must be talking about. Now I finally have context. Run and dodge shit. Oh god, there's more. Oh my god! I guess we just focus on one, huh? Oh, just kidding. They all matter. Whoa! Ah! Shit, 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 shit. Orbs, orbs and lasers and orbs and lasers and orbs and lasers and orbs and lasers. What up? What up? What up, spider bots? What up, spider bots? Spidery bots. Spidery bots. It's spidery bots. Spidery bots. It's the spidery bots. Spidery bots. It's the spidery bots. You're oh shit! Get out of here, spidery bots. Woo! Baby. Yoko Taro wanted the orbs to one-shot people? Hell yeah, that would have been funny. Unit 2P process termination confirmed. She got her! Good job, 2B. No, wait. Oh, god damn it! It was not 2B! Fuck. Oh, Jesus, what? Excuse me. Excuse what? No, there's no, what is this clown car bullshit? What? Oh. What? Oh. Well, what the fuck? The compound. Oh, orb. Yeah, it reminds me of a Castlevania boss. Not when I played that. We are. Okay, they're just gonna go. Cool, thanks. I was right there. Ah. Ow. How does orb have laser? How orb have laser? Oh, thank you. Uh-oh, getting out of that, getting out of there. Mechanical contusion. Oh boy. Oh boy. Ooh, I got my drill off. Ah, 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 ah! Yep, that makes sense. Alright. Oh, there's gotta be more phases. This thing's already almost dead. Mechanical laceration. Ow. Ow, my ass. No, no! Nope. Nope. No, I don't like this. Oh my. This is a remix of the A Realm Report song. with near bits. I knew I wasn't fucking crazy! Holy shit! Get chat gaslighting me! This rules. I'd recognize that chord progression anywhere. I love that song, and it keeps getting claimed on YouTube, the fuckers. There's some Heavensward stuff. No, it's just the same song. Okay. Yeah. It's like the big fate from A Realm Reborn, but. Oh! Ah, thank you! Holy shit! The big spinny. The big spinny. Oh, over here. I think I'm glad I did that. Yeah. Prime Blade. Inside? Ho ho ho, baby! What do we do with those? Oh, okay. How do people know which one to go to? I'm sure there's a tell. Centrifugal slice. Ah, my ass. Right in half. Right down the cheeks. Now it's more ass than ever. Wait, that I don't know what that means, I'm sorry. That was a weird thing to say. No, oh, sorry. Oh, I fucked up my combo. That's alright. Four parts resolve. Oh, multi-slams. Oh, not slams. Different move. Slam and then another swing. Yeah, okay, I get it. Interesting. Prime Blade. Ow. Oh god. Oh, everyone's doing a run. Everyone's doing a run. Okay, I'm doing the run too. Okay. Energy compression. Okay, these are things we gotta step in, almost definitely. Well, I'm stepping. Okay, someone else is stepping. Cool. No one's stepping in this one! No one's stepping in this one! We're stepping in this one. Oh, do me a heckin' stress. What's that? What's that noise? No, I want to get max limit break. Oh god. Thank you. We're doing it. I'm doing it. Ah! Fuck! I'm doing it. It doesn't even go above her chest. Oh, that's so gross. That was such a cool fight, though. Yay! We did it!